know you heard me time and time again that they will rock your world and change your life. But I can't blame 'cause you make a nigga wanna get involved, wanna get them draws. Well, I'ma put my bid in and get at you. No disrespect, but I want it bad as they do. The only difference is they look out for themselves, but I'm doing it just to hear you yell, yeah. It's gonna be the sound, boy, when it's going down, your body saying, oh. Don't have to say my name, boy, I'm just glad you came, so you can say, oh, oh. You say you know me, always sitting there right, oh, oh, oh. You can't be mad at me, I'm the same man to please, let me give you free, oh. Boy, come on over and let's get this thing cracking. You'll be surprised when you see what else I'm packing. 'Cause I'm young, but I'm ready. Hey, babe, if you let me, yeah, I'ma take you somewhere that you never been. Show you some things that'll make you wanna show your friends. Have you so weak that you can't even say a thing, but that's okay. All you got to say, oh, oh. Your body saying, oh. Don't have to say my name, I'm just glad you came, so you can say, oh, oh. You say you know me, it's always sitting it right, oh, oh, oh. Can't be mad at me, I'm the same man who please me, it's pretty more. Oh, it's for that overtime I'm putting in. We'll go for hours, take a break and go at it again. Couldn't work my way from A all the way to Z. But trust me, baby boy, always where you wanna be. I tell you I'm not trying to tell you what to do. When it's said and done, only